In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional invoice using Google Docs. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just someone needing to send a one-time invoice, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each element necessary to produce a polished and effective invoice. To get started, head over to docs.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus blank option to create a new document. This will give us a clean slate to work with as we begin designing our invoice. Now let's set up your invoice header. At the top of the document, start by typing your business name in bold to make it stand out. If you have a logo, you can insert it here to give your document a more branded feel. Below your business name and logo, add your contact information, including your address, phone number, and email. This allows the client to have easy access to your contact details should they have any questions. Finally, underneath this information, type the word invoice in large, bold text to indicate the purpose of this document clearly. Next, we'll add in the invoice details essential for both you and your client. This section should include the invoice number, date, and a bill to field where you'll specify the client's name and contact information. Additionally, include a due date so the client knows the deadline for payment. A practical way to organize this information is by inserting a table. You can do this by going to Insert, selecting Table, and choosing 2 columns by 4 rows. This setup will help maintain a clean and structured look for your invoice. Moving on, it's time to create an itemized list of the products or services you are billing for. Again, insert a table, but this time opt for 5 columns. Label these columns as description, quantity, unit price, tax, and total. Add as many rows as you need, one for each item or service, providing a clear and detailed breakdown of the charges. Underneath your itemized list, sum everything up by adding a section for the subtotal, tax amount, and the total amount due. In this area, also include any relevant payment methods, such as bank transfer details or PayPal information. If there are any additional notes, such as late fees or discounts, this is the place to include them. For that extra touch of professionalism, format your document. Use bold headers and choose clear fonts like Arial or Times New Roman to enhance readability. Adjust your column widths as necessary and consider adding borders or shading to table headers to make your invoice more visually appealing. Lastly, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Click on File, choose Download, and then pick either the PDF or Word format depending on how you prefer to send it to your client. Alternatively, if your client also uses Google Docs, you can share it directly by clicking Share and entering their email address. And there you have it. With these guidelines, you can efficiently create a professional and polished invoice using Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.